Yummy.
Mickey, he just graded my thing this morning.
You're just gonna
use the flag to eat?
flagpole to get all the cream? Yeah.
Why didn't you eat some off the fork too?
Look,
No,
check this out.
you want a bite? You gotta get the mango out of your mouth.
Mmm.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Look, here's the banana part. You got the cream part, now get the banana part.
Is it thawed?
Oh,
Yeah.
that one
Yeah,
was
that's good. Here you go.
already cut.
Oh yeah.
How's that cake, bud?
Look at this.
Is it good?
Look at this. What?
Is it good? Vroom.
Yeah, you love this pie.
All right, I'm turning off the movie.
Okay, bye movie.
Bye, movie.